Okay, today is day 8 of our Alaska ride. We stayed here. This is called Fox and Fireweed cabins. It was a pretty amazing stay. We absolutely loved it. The cabins are amazing. It has got all the amenities, and the surroundings are very quiet, very beautiful. We loved it. So today we are going to ride to Fairbanks and then we'll go to a motorcycle shop. We have a appointment scheduled. We'll get Lawrence's chain fixed and then that bolt, we'll get it from there. Then we have to go to a storage and then there we'll drop off the panniers and the extra load. And we'll prep the bikes for Prudhoe Bay. So tomorrow we plan to start our ride to Coldfoot. And then we have done the booking at Coldfoot, so we'll stay at Coldfoot. Then the day after we'll proceed to Prudhoe Bay. So far the highways are open. Fires are not blocking them, so should be good. But we'll see how that goes. All right, we are ready to start the ride. Okay, we are leaving Fox and Fireweed Lodge cabins. And we are heading to Fairbanks. This is a pretty beautiful place. Very clean, very nicely kept, not too expensive. I think we paid like $170 for the night between two of us. So it was like 85 per person, which is a little bit on the expensive side, but well, Fairbanks is super expensive to stay.
golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to.
Okay, we have entered Delta Junction. Snowed in RV park. And now we are looking for a gas station, Shell gas station. North Pole 82. So we are leaving Delta Junction and Fairbanks. What? North Pole is 82? What is North Pole? I thought so. The sign said Fairbanks is 95 miles and North Pole is 82. I'm like, what? North Pole is 82? How is that possible? Okay, fire danger is high today. Okay, we gassed up and we left Delta Junction. Now we are going towards Fairbanks. Okay, so we are on highway 2, and because of the fires there are flaggers on the road, and currently the fire danger is very high. So it looks like there will be pilot car escort. Or maybe there will be a single lane flagger. So we'll see how much time does this take. Today basically we have to complete two big tasks. One is to get a new chain for Lawrence's bike, and second thing is to get a storage. So while I'm waiting here, I'll try to call the storage and see if they have space which we can reserve. Okay, so while I was waiting at the construction zone for the pilot car, I was able to make reservation at the storage. We are going to Alaskan mini storage. So there will offload offload unnecessary weight and items that are not needed for the Dalton Highway. So that way the motorcycles get a little lighter, and we'll keep that storage for around 5 days. So that way the motorcycles are lighter, and we don't have to worry much on the dirt routes on the Dalton. So that we are going to do today. Lawrence has got the confirmation from the motorcycle shop that they do have the chain, right, Lawrence? Okay, so they do have the chain. They are going to do the chain replacement, and then they will also have that bolt for the chassis. So we'll get that work completed today. So by end of the day today, everything will be done, hopefully. Knock on the wood. I do not have wood on my bike, but I'm just saying knock on the wood. Cross our fingers. Fingers crossed. And we'll prep the motorcycles. We depart tomorrow morning for Coldfoot. And this route is amazing. So there are more construction zones. So the previous wait was not because of the fires, but because of the construction zone. Although when we mapped on the Google Maps, it did say that route affected by fires. So yeah, as we get closer to Fairbanks, I'll not be surprised if there will be fire crew working. And 2 days back in Dawson, we got the news that Prudhoe Bay, the Dalton Highway to Prudhoe Bay is open, and some parts of it is assisted by a pilot car. It's fine, we'll take it as long as it is open. Pilot car, no pilot car, we'll take it. Okay, construction zone, and maybe one more pilot car. Let's see. Kalita Air. So I see one fighter jet. So this is the airport. We don't know which. Looks like this is some kind of an airbase. I think this is an airbase, or those aircrafts looks like they are. Gray color means military aircraft, right? So I don't know. Alaska Air Marshal Guard. Yeah. So this is an Air Force base. Yep. So this is Hilson Air Force Base, main gate quarter mile. Main gate. We have entered North Pole city limits. The name of this town is North Pole. Road, next right. Use Santa Claus Lane. Fairbanks. Fairbanks. Fairbanks Airport Way.